Hello everybody, my name is Alan Lloyd. In relation to the third subject, it will position itself into the completion. The completion is 1 on time, 12 on time, and 4 on time by the order. The linguistic word processing unit is a confunction of the Purana, as each Purana will turn itself into doors to heaven based upon the machine. If the machine is our way of technology, the position of the Pakistan, particularly the understanding of the life cycle, will reposition itself into doors by steps, and doors in each step is a function of the Purana. If the Purana is the position of the army for Sector 3, it is the fifth deployment in relation to the controller. Each controller is a network of 1 on P, 12 on P, and 5 on P on the border, and in that way it is a confunction. The confunction of the pyramid will recycle a bin in the height trap based upon the element of design for the protocol. Each height is conversion. The conversion of the element of design for the protocol will network 1 on time, 12 on time, and 5 on time by the border. Any border in relation to surfing it is equivalent to share the network of 1. If the oil is 3PF315 by the border, the position of the army for Sector 3 is the fifth way in relation to honor, and in that way it is 30 days in the draft mode system. The confunction of the pyramid will recycle the bin in the Hatra in relation to the element design for the protocol. Any protocol based upon the element design, it is the confunction of the Purana, as each Purana will reposition itself to the doorsteps. Each doorstep is the confunction of the pyramid and the recycling bin based upon the Hatra, and in that day it is 10% GMAC. The 10% GMAC is a confunction of the Purana or the position of the army for Sector 3, and in that way the conclusion of the element will preview itself into the element design for the protocol, as each protocol is the network one. This is the evolution of time to know how to do some, and in that day it is 10% GMAC. The GMAC is 5PF315 for the ruler, and to export it to a certain degree, and in that sum it is element design for the protocol.